Hey, what's up? This video will help you create a free WizzyMotion account. When you open WizzyMotion for the first time in your After Effects or Premiere Pro, a floating panel will appear on your screen. We suggest that you dock it in your interface. The use will be much easier that way. You will see the Create Free Account button. Just click and fill in the fields. Type your name. Enter a valid email address. Choose a password. Confirm your password. Choose your preferred language. And click on Create My Free Account. You will see the message, "Congrats. Your free account has been created." Then a quick tutorial will appear. These instructions will already give you the basic concepts of how to use WizzyMotion. Advance the steps and click Let's Go. If you want to use all premium packs, we suggest that you take advantage and connect your Envato account right now. This way, all future packs will be synchronized. Click on Sure, Let's Connect. Your default browser will open, and your email and password, registered when you created your WizzyMotion account, will be requested. After successful login, you will see this screen. Just click on the Connect Envato button. If you are already logged into Envato, make sure that the account that is currently logged in is exactly the same account that made the pack purchase before proceeding. If you are not logged into Envato, log in with exactly the same account that made the purchase of the pack. A new Envato API window will appear. In it, you will need to authorize the WizzyMotion app. Note that you will grant access to only some of the information needed to confirm that compatible WizzyMotion packs are part of your purchase list. Your privacy is guaranteed. And the best of all, in the future, you won't have to keep filling purchase codes for each pack. Everything will be automated. After clicking the Approve button, at the bottom of the screen, the WizzyMotion window should return to your browser, informing the WizzyMotion and Envato usernames that are now connected. Just one more step to go. Return to your Premiere Pro or After Effects and click on Check Connection. The WizzyMotion interface will automatically check API, and any premium packs you have purchased will be available for installation. Is ready. Now, just start creating motion design in the simplest way you've ever seen. Be wise in motion. Be WizzyMotion.